Are you a professional holiday decorator? Maybe you just want to become a professional this holiday lighting season. Holiday Bright Lights is a leading wholesaler in the commercial holiday lighting industry. We are your next Christmas light source. Proven product lines for commercial and residential lighting projects. Looking for a support system without the price tag? There are no hidden fees when working with HBL. We take a personalized consultative approach when it comes to supporting decorators with estimating, design, and marketing help. You will have access to a variety of marketing templates that includes letters, flyers, photos, and much more to help your business grow. Need help creating an SEO-driven holiday lighting website page? HBL can help. Our Easy Business program is the perfect add-on for any landscaper, lawn care, or irrigation professional. Your success is our success. We make it easy for you to profit. Become a Holiday Bright Lights decorator today.